Hey guys, so new airdrop opportunity, this time from the CARV protocol. And why I am talking about this protocol, this airdrop opportunity, is because they just raised $10 million and investors are OKX Ventures, Consensus, and many other big venture capital firms. This is why I am basically recommending you to start farming this upcoming project protocol, because I will be starting as well. And in total, they raised around $40 million. It's quite insane because there are so many projects raising tens of millions of dollars lately, and there are so much more alpha coming from me. And let's get straight to the airdrop. So how to farm this CARV protocol airdrop? So you basically go on this website. And by the way, if you want extra points, extra point boost, you can use my referral link. The referral link is in the description. So how are you going to basically farm this airdrop is really easy. First of all, you can do this minting stuff, mining stuff. Basically, you have running OpenBNB, ZK Sync, Linea, and you can press this CARV button. Basically, you will have an option to press this. I already pressed, and right here it is like loading or something like that. I will just refresh it. So you basically press this CARV. It will basically carve you 240 SOL daily, and all you have to do is just go into this website, and every day you can press again and again and just carve extra SOL. Right here you can see on the OPPBNB. I will confirm transaction. So right here you will see that it will start loading and transaction is submitted. So this is the first thing, how you can get SOL every day. Just schedule yourself 5 minutes every day to go on this website and farm it. Other way you can farm and earn more SOL is binding your social profiles. For example, CARV Play, which is really easy to do. You just have to connect your MetaMask wallet. This is just a MetaMask wallet. You will earn 100 SOL daily. Run-in wallet, Bitcoin wallet, Solana wallet. It is still loading for me. I don't know why. You will have to bind your Twitter wallet, Discord, and you can also not to bind it, but you will get less SOL every day. The other way you can earn your SOL is by staking, and right here you can see if you stake 30 days, you are basically earning 60% APR. So if you are staking, for example, 1,000 SOL tokens, after 30 days you will get 600 SOL tokens extra, and that's another way you can earn extra SOL tokens. And right here there is voting as well, and I would recommend you to vote on all of these. I will do these myself. Other way you can earn SOL is complete these quests and tasks. These are really easy, and you can see experience points, how much you are basically getting. I myself how to do these because this is brand new for me. I just wanted to make a video airdrop tutorial how to do it as soon as possible, because we are still early and I want just to share these early projects. And right here there are SOL challenges again, and right here you can see how much the rewards will be. And right here you can see you can earn 500 SOL, 400 SOL, so you can do these quests. And there is a referral bonus to earn more SOL as well. Right here you can see the basically weekly and all-time leaderboard, the rank, how many SOL tokens people have, I mean SOL points. And right here you can see conversion rate. You will be able to redeem your SOL to the CARV token, which is this CARV protocol. And another way you can earn SOL tokens is basically register your play name, the basically CARV domain names. I basically registered Nathan. If you want shorter names, you will earn more SOL, but it will cost you more, basically OPBNB. That's the currency that you can mint the domains. I basically chose a real name, and this has like 6 letters in it, so it cost me around, I mean, exactly $25. You can mint your name for $1. I just chose something shorter, like 6 letters, so I get more soul daily. And as it states on their Discord, you will get more airdrop opportunities for shorter names. So that's the choice you can make. You can mint even 3-letter names, but it will, for example, it will cost you 0.8 BNB, which is probably around $500. So right here you can see $500. So the choice is yours. And another thing that there is coming up on this car, which is quite recent, there is a upcoming node sale. This will probably increase your soul earnings as well. So the thing is that I don't understand anything about node. I know it is for decentralizing purposes, so the chain is decentralized and secure, so you basically run a node. That's all I know, and I will probably go deeper on this node sale because you can still join waitlist. So I would not hesitate to explore this and just secure your waitlist if you can. Again, they basically raised $14 million, so the valuation could be around $140 million right now. This 60 million doesn't make sense. And yeah, basically join their Discord channel. There are a Notion site where you can read all the basically tutorial how you can earn all these points, but I already explained you the most important steps. And the best thing is that you can start early right now. Again, you can use my referral code for more points. And yeah, just start farming it, because I will definitely be farming it. So if you don't want to miss any upcoming NFT airdrop and crypto alpha, press that subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on any upcoming crypto alpha. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.